Hi, welcome to Affordable Dentistry of South Florida. Follow me. My name is Agata Perez-Diaz. I'm a dentist here and owner of Affordable Dentistry of South Florida. This practice was made out of a need for our community. I've been practicing dentistry since 1995. Just because it was affordable didn't mean it was not good dentistry, but something that was accessible to everyone. So here at Affordable Dentistry of South Florida, we have all services. We cover from surgical to braces, orthodontics, smile design, root canals, implant dentistry. We have everything and we try to keep it all under one roof. We are located here in Hollywood on Sheridan Street, 5 minutes away from 95. Parking is never an issue. It's very family oriented. Everybody gets along. Everybody's happy to be here and happy to serve our patients. So I invite you to our office if you need an emergency visit, if you just want a checkup and a cleaning, or any of your dental needs. We're always open for you, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. See you soon.